Hello, and thank you for choosing us. We're excited to help you get your new system installed. To make sure your installation is, please review the following checklist before our technicians arrive. Let's go through each item together.
Checklist 1. Ethernet connections. Ensure every POS has 2 active Ethernet connections ready. Checklist 2. Internet service. Confirm your internet is active and working throughout the store. Checklist 3. Electrical power. Ensure all required power outlets are installed and working. Checklist 4. Counter preparation. Prepare checkout counters with proper cutouts and cable access holes. Checklist 5. Scale cutout verification. Verify the scale cutout matches the required specifications. Checklist 6. Meet scale. If applicable, ensure a power outlet is available for the meet scale. Checklist 7. ESL radio. Provide both power and an Ethernet connection for the ESL radio. Checklist 8. ESL radio placement. Install the ESL radio in the center of the store or above the meat department. Checklist 9. TV display setup. Mount and connect all TVs and have a Fire TV stick ready. Checklist 10. CronyX Connector. Have a Windows PC with internet ready for CronyX Connector setup. Checklist 11. Wi-Fi information. Have your Wi-Fi network name and password ready.
Before your scheduled appointment, please complete these items to help avoid delays and ensure a smooth installation. Thank you for choosing us. We look forward to getting your new system up and running.